We're here at Harkins Theaters in Superstition Springs, and we're listening to baby raptors. I believe they're great horned owl fledglings that apparently have a nest right above where you buy tickets to go to the movies. Crazy stuff. Just want to get a sense of beautiful evening here in Arizona with the moon beyond that street light. And I'm always fascinated by the visual aspects of neon lighting. But I'll tell you, the sound of these raptors crying, hungry, great horned owl raptors right here. And I suppose they're trying to keep it a secret, but I believe so the sound's coming from right up here, folks. Sorry about the bright light. Right up in here we have a great horned owl nest. Fascinating, perfect place for it. Out here in the middle of the desert. And a great horned owl flew out of this area with about had to be a 6-foot wingspread. 3 feet, easy, big body, great horned owl in Mesa, Arizona. These are the sound of fledglings. And of that I have no doubt. They are hungry, and I think Mama's gonna fly in any minute with food, so kind of hard to leave though. It's past midnight here, November 10, and like so you purchase your tickets right here, and above there, it must be one heck of a nest up there. I mean lumber size nest, no twigs up there. This is lumber. There's a heavy nest up there, and it must be protected, and they must be, Game and Fish must be well aware of this nest right in the middle of Mesa at the Harkins Theater, but I bet they keep it a secret, and maybe I should too. I just would love to get a shot of Mommy or Daddy. Whoever flew out of that nest was gigantic. As I came out of the theater after a great flick, The Accountant, and we're here again in Mesa, Arizona, 2016.